Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have been searching for a way to upgrade your kitchen without spending a fortune on high-end boutique brands, you have probably stumbled across the Astercook 18-piece ceramic cookware set. Today we are going to dive deep into whether this massive collection is worth the space in your cabinets and the spot on your stove. Let us start with the most important aspect of any modern cookware, which is the cooking surface. The Astercook set features a ceramic non-stick coating that is advertised as being free of PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. In an age where health consciousness in the kitchen is at an all-time high, this is a major selling point. In my testing, the ceramic surface performed very well with everyday tasks. Eggs slid off the pan with minimal butter or oil, and cleanup was genuinely a breeze. Because of the ceramic nature of the coating, the manufacturer suggests sticking to medium heat. While this might be an adjustment if you are used to blasting your pans on high, it actually helps preserve the longevity of the non-stick properties. The versatility of this 18-piece set is truly impressive. You get an 8-inch frying pan, an 11-inch shallow pan for searing meats, and an 11-inch deep pan for sauces or one-pot meals. Having a variety of sizes means you are covered whether you are making a quick solo breakfast or a full family dinner. Another huge plus is that this set works on all cooktops, including induction, gas, and electric. The base is reinforced and flat, which ensures even heat distribution so you do not end up with annoying hot spots that burn your food. Now let us look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, the design is very thoughtful for modern living. The pans are dishwasher safe, which is a massive time saver. Even better, they include pot protectors to help with storage. If you live in an apartment or have limited cabinet space, the stackable design is a game changer. It keeps your kitchen organized and prevents the ceramic coating from getting scratched by other lids or pans. On the flip side, there are a few things to keep in mind. While ceramic is excellent for low to medium heat, it does require a bit more care than heavy-duty stainless steel. You really have to avoid metal utensils if you want to keep the coating pristine for years. Also, because it is an 18-piece set, you need to make sure you have the actual physical storage room before you commit to the purchase, even with the stackable features. To conclude, the Astercook 18-piece ceramic set is an incredible value for anyone setting up a new home or looking to replace a worn-out mismatched collection. It hits the balance between a healthy non-toxic cooking surface, easy maintenance, and broad compatibility across different stove types. It is stylish, functional, and gets the job done for everyday cooking. If you are ready to upgrade your culinary game, you can find more information through the link in the description.